Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. In this one I'm showing you how to change shipping address on AliExpress after the order. So this is actually not that hard, guys. So let's say, for example, you wish to order, say, let me choose some kind of product. So for example, this one. So say you want to buy this, and say you already did, and after you ordered it, you want to change the shipping address, and then you go to view orders, and in here you just choose which ordered item you want to change the shipping address for. So say, for example, for these cakes that I have on top, I want to change the address for that. So what you want to do is you go to this Hessine store right over here, and you just go ahead and send them a message. And also be sure to note the order ID. So you just copy the order ID, then you go back. Then once again, you go to Hessine store or just any other store that you purchased from. As you can see, next to the follow button, we have on the left a chat button. And in here, you just type in, I want to change the shipping address, my order, and you just paste in the pretty much code of your order, and then you just press send, and then you will contact them this way, and they will change the shipping address so that your item is being delivered to a different address. As you can see, pretty simple. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.